Hello everyone, I will show you how to make the text bigger on Snapchat. First of all, navigate to Snapchat and navigate to your chats, and from here tap on any chat. For example, I will tap here, and after that, for example, if I want to send a big message, what I will do, I will write the text, and after that, if I want to make the text bigger, I will scroll this from here up, and after that, if you want to, after that, tap on send, as you see, and after that, if I want to make it smaller as well, as you see, very small, and you can do it like this, continue small or big as you want. And basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.